Class 4th A. 4A. GSC revision, and in which we are going to make revision of worksheet 6. Worksheet 6. Lesson 6. Foods that build the body. Foods that build the body, and in which we are going to solve the worksheet 6. In worksheet 6, first we have to see fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now see the first. And fats are energy giving foods. So first you know that what answer will be there. One food is energy giving foods, protective foods, protective food. So here energy giving foods. So carbohydrates and fats. Fat is given. So first carbohydrates. First you have to fill the carbohydrates. Second are body building foods. So which one the body building foods? Proteins. Proteins are body building foods. Second, proteins are body building foods. Next, vitamins and minerals are protective foods. So vitamins and minerals. So third you have to fill minerals. And fourth, water helps us in making food. Water helps us in making food soluble, digestible, and observable. And fifth, when food is exposed to air and moisture, germs begin to grow on it. So here you have to fill germs. Here you have to fill the germs. So germs begin to grow on it. Now next, take the right answer. Now second, you have to take the right answers. B. take the right answer. So you see here, in every questions 3 options are given. Out of 3, 1 is the correct. So you have to select the correct choice. So potatoes are rich in 3 options are given: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Carbohydrates, proteins and fat, 3 options are given. So which will be correct? Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. So first, carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is the correct option. So first you have to choose the carbohydrate. Next, a complete food is 3 options are given: chapatis, rice and milk. If we eat the chapatis, we will get only the carbohydrate. If we get this rice, we also will get the carbohydrate. And if we eat the milk is called the complete diet, because milk contains all the nutrients necessary for the body. You see the child, infant, eats nothing, only drinks the milk. So our complete food is milk. Now third, young children need more carbohydrates, proteins and fat. 3 foods are given, 3 components of food are given. Carbohydrate is the energy giving food, fat is also energy giving food, but proteins are the body building food. So young children need more proteins, more body building foods, more proteins. Third, you have to fill the proteins. And fourth, vegetables and fresh fruits are good sources of. Vegetables and fresh fruits are good sources of. 3 options are given: proteins, vitamins and minerals and the fats. So they are the good sources of the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. They are the good sources of vitamins and minerals. And fifth, you see, Rakesh helps us grow, gives us energy, helps elimination of the waste. So first 2 are the wrong, but helps elimination of waste is correct. So helps elimination of waste. Helps elimination of waste. Helps elimination of the waste. So these are the answers. I will take the right answers. Now you can see the C, give 2 main sources of each of the following. Next you can see, give 2 main sources of each of the following. Now see here the C. You have to write the main sources of. So first C, give 2 main sources each of the following. Carbohydrate. What is the main sources of the carbohydrate? You see the diagram? This diagram is the source of the carbohydrate. You know very well about the potatoes, cereals. So you can write potato, wheat, you can write wheat, rice, etc. And second, proteins. You see this is sources of proteins. Any two you can write. You can write one pulses and other you can write the egg or the meat or the cheese or beans, and you can write soybean. Now next, instead of these you can write some other examples also. If instead of the pulses you are writing the arhar, you are writing about the pea. That will also the pea is the pulse is the common name. Fats, important sources of fats. You can write the sources of fat from here: nuts, ghee, butter and the oils. These are the sources of the fats. And next you can write vitamins. You search from here sources of vitamins, or you can get the vitamins from the vegetables, fruits. These are the sources of the vitamins. And leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals, etc. These are the rich in the vitamins. So you can write in two names. And minerals. Minerals. From where we are getting the minerals? We can use the milk. Milk contains the minerals. Calcium is found in the milk. And apples are rich in the iron. So you can write any two examples. Thank you. That's for today.